Can you discuss? I know in your research there were some specific cases. We don't have to obviously name names, but where deepfakes have impacted criminal investigations, or their whether something is real or not has impacted a court case.
So the biggest known example is this is a sealed case anyway because it's over child custody, but it was involving two parents, obviously, who were fighting for custody of their child. One was resident in Dubai, and one was resident in the UK. And I believe it was the mother looked up online how to create deepfake audio, and she created deepfake audio of her husband or ex-husband. I don't know what he was in this point, of the father, and the deepfake audio painted the father in a very abusive and aggressive term, just an unsafe environment for a child, basically. That was then presented to the court as evidence of the father being unsuitable for custody. Luckily, they did find out that by authenticating it, looking at where it came from and things, that they did work out that it was fake.
And they were actually, just by doing research, what I was surprised is she was able to, for lack of a better word, show anger, aggressiveness. I mean, this is something somebody could just sort of do even in something maybe not like Descript, but another tool.
But what you can do in Descript is you can obviously train a voice model, and it basically becomes text-to-speech. But what you can also do is train styles in there. So you can train emotions. So if I recorded my voice in there, for example, better way around, if I recorded your voice into it and created a voice of you as a text-to-speech voice, but like you mentioned, it may sound monotone or it may sound like it's not got any emotion in it,
Yeah.
I can then record my voice and record emotions in there. I can put on a bit of a crying sound, or I can put on a really angry sound, or a loud shouty one. And I can then highlight some good bit of text in mine, which has got this emotion really strong in it. And I can tell Descript to train that as a style, but to apply it to your voice. So you then speak in the way that I've recorded myself.